Okay, so we're asked to write 5 over 9 as a percentage. Now to get from fractions to percentages, what you want to do is get to a decimal first. So to get from a fraction, which at the moment is 5 over 9, to a decimal, all you just do is 5 divided by 9, because over just means divide. So I'm going to do that on the calculator, 5 divided by 9, and it comes up with 0.555 blah blah blah. Okay. Now to get to a percentage, all we do is we times the decimal by 100. So 0.555 blah blah blah. I'm going to keep it in the calculator and I'm going to times it by 100. So times by 100. And that gives me 55.55 blah blah blah. And to the nearest percent, well, this 5 here is going to push the 5 here up by 1. So it's going to be 56%. So to get from a fraction to a decimal, you just divide top and bottom, and to get from a decimal to a percentage, you times by 100.